There he goes. There he goes. Hey, buddy. Goodness gracious. Look, guys. I know he's turning around. There he goes.
Bye.
Pretty. Fluffy. Look at a good one here. Ooh. Alright, found a tiger. He looks happy. Whoa, goodness, I'm hungry. There it goes. Hey, little man, Tony. I don't know what he wants. There he goes. You see a little walk path. He's constantly walking. There he goes. There's a little bitty guy. He wants to work hard all night long. Just like Princess. Probably cleans the zoo at night when we're not looking. Hard working cat. Another hard working animal. This is a fossa. F-O-S-S-A. This must be where all the workers sleep. This guy's in his box. Oh, there's a fossa. There's the fossa. You heard me. He's awake. This little guy. He got his box, Chris. Oh, you heard me. Go to your box. Go to your box, little guy. And there's another little guy. Just asleep in the shade. Huh.